All right, so we're starting our walk down this sidewalk. How long do you think we'll walk, Forrest?
About an hour.
How many miles will we get in?
3 or so.
Oh, okay. So you say we'll be on sidewalk the whole time now, huh?
Yep.
When will we turn around?
At 48.
Alrighty. At least the weather's good,
Get
huh?
some donuts, then turn around.
That'll defeat the whole purpose.
That's why you got to work for it, see?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And we've never bought donuts up there.
Oh, okay. So you're just joking.
In the 4 or 5 years we've been doing this.
So you like doing it right after sunrise?
Yeah, I like doing it early.
Yeah.
5 o'clock's better. I used to walk at 4 o'clock in the morning, then meet Sandy.
While it was dark?
Yeah, we had headlights on
Oh, okay.
our head and armbands that flashed red.
Red? Okay. Made it to Dunkin' Donuts here on 48th. So it took us 38 minutes to get one way. So you're right on schedule for your 1 hour and 15
hopefully
minutes.
I can make it back in 38 minutes.
We'll see. We have to go against the wind, I think, now.
Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Well, that was a good walk.
I don't know how to
I'm on the T-Rex Fit machine. Basically gives you a lot of vibrations here. So it'll shake your body without you having to walk at all. Well, that's a lot. You can basically lose fat and do calories without even walking. It just vibrates your whole body. So right now I have it at 60 hertz per minute, I guess. But it can go down. Right now I've lost 180 calories with just standing on here. So now I'm going to decrease it down to, you like it at 20, don't you?
Yeah.
It kind of feels weird after a while.
So sometimes when you stand on it, after a while, your legs just start to itch like crazy.
Oh.
And you just start to itch all over.
I wonder what's the lowest it can go. Let's see. 5. So now we're at 5 hertz per minute. It says I went the...
I'll just take a shot of your legs so you can show how your legs are shaking.
This is a fun machine. It says I've gone a distance of 4 kilometers already. Just by doing nothing. So the minimum is 5. Here's the book on how to use the machine. What do you think about that machine, Forrest?
It's okay.
Have you tried it?
Oh yeah.
When was the last time?
A couple years ago.
So you're not that fond of it, huh?
No, I'd rather walk myself.
I'm gonna check out this book. I want to see exactly what it does for you. Hey, good morning, Sandy.
Okay.
What are we making?
We are making muesli with some flaxseed and nutritional yeast.
Oh, okay.
Blueberries and bananas.
Oh, that's pretty good.
And this is organic 3 bean and also a can of black beans.
Oh, okay.
With flaxseed and nutritional yeast.
So,
And a bunch of different seasonings.
oh, that's pretty nice. So you eat nutritional yeast for breakfast, no problem.
Right.
Oh,
I
okay.
put a teaspoon in the cereal and a teaspoon for each in the beans.
Oh, okay. This is a pretty typical breakfast for you guys?
Yeah. And the flaxseed and nutritional yeast actually help to make a gravy type thing with the beans. And I always rinse the beans off, get all that junk off the beans.
Yeah, okay.
So all of this that's making the gravy type is just the almond milk and the flaxseed, and the nutritional yeast that makes the gravy.
Great. So it's pretty healthy.
Yeah.
That's nice. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath.
Have Sabbath school, it helps tremendously in that. Sure, of course, with this, we're doing our best. I know you're praying a lot for it. Pray for us that we'll make the right decisions, that the Lord will lead us and guide us. And I've heard from many of you. We're glad that you're here today, and we're glad that we can worship together and praise the Lord. That is the most important thing we do during the week, isn't it? Now we will have our song service and begin to praise the Lord in song.
are. It has disturbed me in the past at times to think that one of the reasons I do some of the spiritual things I do is just out of habit. I don't know that's good. I want it to be more intentional. And so we're not going to be passing the plate around as has been our habit, but you can give an offering by putting it in the slot back here in the stairwell to my right, or you can send it in the mail, or you can give online. But let's bless the Lord with the abundance He's blessed us with. Amen. And do it from grateful hearts, and not from habit. Amen. At this time, the children's story will be viewed on the screen in your seats, children. Okay?
Too often, even today, are too many times treated like they aren't equal to the majority. This great division in our country is one of the results of so many people rebelling against God for too long.
Are we supposed to get rain today?
I don't know.
So that was a good service, huh?
Yeah.
The part I heard was pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I got some rain. Watered the plants. What do we have for lunch, Sandy?
Summer squash and salad.
So we got tomatoes, avocado, onions, bell peppers, onions, celery. And what's the big thing you're gonna make?
Haystacks.
Oh man. We got the beans over here, along with corn. So that's also part of the ingredients for the haystack.
So you put the Fritos down, then you put your beans on top. There's black beans and pinto beans and corn in there. And then on top of that you put your lettuce, and then some onion, pepper, avocado, tomato, and olives. And then I didn't get it out yet, but some salsa.
Okay, great. That's your haystack.
That's the haystack.